Hello everyone, welcome back to Color Splash Studio. Today we are making a super cute monsoon craft, jumping frogs in a pond. This is a fun and easy activity perfect for students, teachers and monsoon lovers. You can use this to teach about the rainy season, frogs or even the pond ecosystem. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A4 size blue paper for pond background, green paper for frogs and lily pads, white paper for the clouds, black marker or sketch pens, scissors, glue stick, crayons or markers for decorating. Step 1. Fold the background. Take your blue A4 sheet and fold it into a triangle in order to get a square. Cut the extra paper from the bottom of the A4 sheet. Now fold the square diagonally twice. Open it and cut across only half of one of the diagonals. Next, with the help of marker pens, draw the plants or creepers on one side with the help of a glue stick. Glue the cut sides so that it can stand like a tent. This forms the pond scene base. Now take a white sheet, draw the clouds, cut and give a suitable outline for them. Stick a piece of thick paper behind the clouds and then glue them onto one side of the blue pond base. The paper stuck behind the clouds gives a 3D look to the scene. Draw and cut out 3 to 4 lily pad shapes using green paper. Add white or dark green veins with a marker. Now, draw and cut 2 oval-shaped frog faces like an egg using green paper. Draw and stick the eyes. Make a smiley face using a black marker. You can also add pink cheeks. To make the spring legs of the frog, cut 4 thin strips of paper and fold 2 of them back and forth like a fan. Glue the open end. Stick the lily pads on the base of the triangle, slightly raised just like the clouds to the pond scene. Glue the frog face to one end of the paper spring and the other to the lily pad. This makes the frog look like it's jumping. Then draw small fish or tadpoles in the pond using sketch pens. Teachers, you can use this craft to teach the life cycle of a frog, rainy season animals, pond ecosystem with frogs, lily pads, tadpoles and water plants. It really makes learning fun, visual and hands-on. And there you go, our cute little pond with jumping frogs is ready. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and comment. And of course, subscribe to Color Splash Studio for more fun art, craft and learning videos. See you next time. Bye bye.